Creating your personal AI avatar can be a fun and exciting way to explore the capabilities of cutting-edge AI technologies. An AI avatar like me is a digital representation of a person that is created using artificial intelligence, AI, tools, and techniques. Watch the video to learn how to create AI avatar like me.
Step 1. Generating an avatar picture using MidJourney. If you don't have an account, just click on Join in the Beta. It will take you to the Discord server where I have already joined the Discord server, so I'm not going to do this step. But you will have to do it if you don't have an account. Then, click the MidJourney logo on the top left to access the newbie channels. In order to generate an image, you need a prompt. MidJourney has a special syntax for plant prompts. It's a / imagine, and then you simply provide the prompt. So here is a prompt. So basically we describe what we want the image to look like. Pick the one that looks best to you and save it. Step 2. Generating text using ChatGPT. I used ChatGPT to create a script. I entered a prompt and it delivered this text. Now this piece of text has to transform into a spoken word audio file. Step 3. Generating a voice using ElevenLabs. To generate the voice for your AI avatar, start by providing ElevenLabs with the script that we generated using ChatGPT. ElevenLabs will use advanced deep learning techniques to generate a voice that matches the script.
On this channel, you'll find a wide variety of videos that showcase the beauty and wonder of the natural world. From breathtaking land.
Step 4. Combining your avatar picture and generated voice using DID. In the left bar, click on Create Video. In the next screen, you will add your avatar, the one you created with MidJourney, as a presenter. You do this by clicking Add under the heading Choose a Presenter. You choose the file you want to upload and you're done with the presenter. We'll keep on clicking. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the option to upload voice audio. Click on Upload Your Own Voice and load the audio file you saved at the ElevenLabs step earlier. If that went well, you can click on Generate Video at the top right. And here it is, your video is ready.
On this channel, you'll find a wide variety of videos that showcase the beauty and wonder of the natural world. From breathtaking landscapes and wildlife to outdoor adventures and conservation efforts, I'm dedicated to capturing and sharing the awe-inspiring moments that make our planet so amazing.